Hi, can you help me with code? It's giving me an error. I don't understand.
Sure. Let me take a look. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to create a function that sorts an array, but I keep returning the wrong output.
I see. It looks like you might have a logic error in your loop. Let's try debugging it together.
Thanks a lot. I've been stuck on this for hours.
No problem. It it happens to everyone. Just keep practicing and it gets easier.
I hope so. Thanks again for the help.
Anytime.